Hey everyone, today we're diving into Rennora Hair Growth Serum, a product specifically designed for black women and meant to tackle hair loss and promote growth. But is it really legit or just hype? Let's find out. First, a quick disclaimer. This review is based on my personal opinion and research, including customer feedback and details from the official Amazon listing. Rennora Hair Growth Serum is formulated with a blend of natural herbs and vitamins like peppermint oil, stinging nettle, and rosemary oil, ingredients known to stimulate hair follicles and reduce scalp inflammation. The brand emphasizes that it's free from harsh chemicals and made specifically to address hair issues common in the black community. Plus, it's 100% black owned, created by Tanya Asker, who wanted a real solution for black hair care. According to Amazon, it has a 3.9 star rating from 207 reviews. Some users reported seeing results in as little as 7 days with improvements in hair thickness and reduced thinning. That's promising. But there are some concerns. Several customers mentioned inconsistencies with the product packaging, like bottles arriving with uneven amounts of serum. This raised questions about product quality control and whether some bottles were previously used. While this might be a manufacturing hiccup, it's definitely something to consider before buying. Some buyers also felt frustrated about the lack of compensation or communication regarding these issues. So, what's the final verdict? Rennora Hair Growth Serum seems to have a genuine potential thanks to its natural ingredients and focus on black hair needs, but quality control concerns might affect your buying experience. If you decide to try a consistent use over 2 to 3 months is recommended for best results. Thanks for watching. Remember, this review is based on research and personal opinion.